Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Phil from Practical Media. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to uninstall the Astra theme from inside of your WordPress dashboard. Kindly like, subscribe and turn on your bell notifications. Now without any further ado, let's get started. First off, you have to navigate into the left hand side and go to the appearance section and click on themes. Once inside the themes section, you need to activate a different theme from Astra. Now I already have 3 themes here which have been installed by default inside of WordPress. I can activate any one of these, but if you don't have another theme available, you can simply go to the add new theme option and add a theme from inside of there and activate that theme. For right now, I'm going to be activating the 2024 theme. Once this theme has been activated, I will go to Astra and click on theme details, and then I will click on the delete button. Once that's been done, Astra will be successfully deleted from your WordPress site and you would have successfully uninstalled Astra from inside the WordPress directory. Now that was a quick tutorial on how to uninstall the Astra theme from inside of your WordPress directory. If you like this video, then consider subscribing to the channel and turning on your bell notifications. Thank you so much for tuning in. Have a wonderful day.